Welcome to Sew Anastasia, and today we're going to sew a patch on my favorite denim jacket with the amazing Husqvarna Viking Topaz 40. I've already shown you how to hand sew a patch, but this method on the sewing machine is going to be so much faster. If you don't have a sewing machine and you need to hand sew it on, check out the link down in the description. The first thing you need to do is figure out where you want to put your patch on your jacket. I'll be putting my heart on my sleeve because, well, that's generally where my heart is. So now that you know where you're going to put your patch, let's go ahead and pin it. And we want to pin through one layer of fabric. Now grab your pins and let's pin our patch in place. Always remember to go down into your fabric and then push it up and out. And you always want to leave the head of the pin to the right so you can always pull them out easy while you're sewing. I'm going to put about 4 pins in this patch. Now that we're all pinned up, it's time to move over to the sewing machine. So I put my patch on my sleeve, which means I'm going to want to remove the case that's on the back of the machine. It holds the accessories and also gives us a wider sewing bed. So you can just pull this off to the side and it allows for you to slip a sleeve or a pant leg onto it. So real easy, we can go ahead and slip our sleeve onto it, and then this will allow us to move it around. Next, we want to select the Zigzag Stitch. So you're going to go up to the stitch menu, which is the blue right here, and you want to select stitch number 7. Now it's pretty wide zigzag, and I want to make it a little smaller. So we're going to tap the info button, which is the I plus with the negative, and we're going to go right here to the arrows where it has the 3, and we're going to hit the negative. We're going to make it a little, see this on the screen, how if you hit this it gets wider and smaller? I'm going to make it a 2. I'm using a zigzag stitch because the edge of my patch will fray, and this will help secure it so it doesn't fall off. When you're doing a zigzag stitch, you want to make sure you're using your B foot. So go ahead and clip on your B foot. Just push it back gently. Now that you have your zigzag stitch set and you have the B foot on, we're ready to start sewing. If you're using the Topaz 40, remember that there's no lever in the back of it and that you're gonna have to use your foot pedal to put down the presser foot. Presser foot down and let's start sewing. The sleeve is so tricky to sew. So if you feel like you need to adjust, just make sure your needle is still in the fabric when you move. I know patches come in a lot of different shapes and sizes, and just make sure that you only have one layer under the foot so you're not sewing through. Notice as I'm doing the patch, I'm staying fairly close to the edge. 2 last stitches, and make sure you either back stitch or fix. I'm gonna back stitch. Go ahead and hit the scissor button and it's gonna cut the thread. Perfect, and we can pull out our patch. Voila, we finished. My patch is now on my sleeve. I'm loving how this heart turned out on the sleeve. I definitely want to put something on my other sleeve now. But what should I put on it? A cat? A slice of pizza? I don't know. Let me know in the comments what you think I should put on my other sleeve. Thanks for watching Sew Anastasia today. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Be sure to follow me on Instagram at Sew Anastasia and Anastasia Chatzka. And if you're in Chicago, make sure you check out my boutique to try on my new collection or take a sewing class with me in my studio. Information about all that is down below, so check it out. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!